Hello everyone, welcome to Contradicting Utopians. So today I have something new here. A new package came in today, and I don't know, I'm very new to this thing, and as we are content creators, so there's something which we need to customize a lot, and that is thumbnails. So this is something which will help us to give you better thumbnails, better images, as we say in the videos. And let's open this. Now we have here the new Veikk A15 Pro, and it's a graphic tablet. It's of red color, as you can see here. It's of red color, and it's a battery free pen. And if I give you the specific dimensions, yes, these are the dimensions. And what else do we have here? Yeah, pretty much it. So I'm gonna be opening this up, and I'm gonna be using this. Okay, this is a quite good seal, which is not easily removable. I'll be putting down the link in the description box if you want to see, if you want to check out the prices. I bought it for 7.5k, and they told me that they have different things with this, around 20 nibs and various other things. So this is the box, and we're going in now. As we open this, I'll keep this aside. The first thing I get is the glove, which can be used. I think it's a okayish quality. I'll check it later on. This is the tablet. It's actually of good size. We'll open this. What else is inside? Okay, this is just a cover. We have something which is related with drivers, and that's okay. They have a really good casing for the pen. So this is the battery. I hope you all can see that this is a battery free pen. They have two buttons here, and let's see what else is inside. This is the USB cable. Okay, this thing I guess went inside. I have to take it out. Okay, so this is the pen holder. And what is this? Okay, oh, okay. So you combine this to actually hold the pen. And anything else? This is the smart guide. Spare nibs and nib remover and quick start guide are in the box. So I'll have to open this, I guess, if they're inside the box. Oh, okay, so these are the nibs, and anything else? Okay, so pretty much that's it. And now we'll see how the tablet switches on. So अब जरा इसको खोल लेते हैं कि एक्चुअली में दिखता कैसा है. Okay, this looks really good. पहले ही हाथ में निशान हल्का सा आ गया है. That means it's really sensitive. I don't know. So they have multiple buttons here. Power, pen, keys. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 buttons. Those will be customizable. And I'll keep the keys aside for now. Let's keep this aside as well. This as well. Let's connect it and see. Okay, so we are ready with the drivers, and now I'll attach this to see how it works. So in this, there's nothing else around it. They have 4 stable, actually rubber pads for actually keeping it, and they have a C-type cable. So connect this. It's a pretty decent cable. It's a thick cable. So connect this. It's showing me that it's connected by power. see. I don't know where to start this from. And yes, so I'll be using this, and this is the pen, this is the holder. I'll be using this. I'll be giving an in-depth how it works, how it performs and everything in the upcoming video. It will be coming soon, and keep watching and like the video. If you're new, do subscribe to our channel.